Here we have this old Trane XE800 heat pump. It's getting replaced. It's got a blue compressor, interestingly. And you can see all the guts back there. It's got a fairly new capacitor. Or you know what, that might be the capacitor. I don't know what that is. But there's a reversing valve right there. It's getting replaced with a new Trane XR. This is from '89. This is a 2.5 ton. This is in my old neighborhood, and I saw this unit was getting replaced, and the tech allowed me to go ahead and take a look at it. This is kind of an old childhood unit of mine. I would typically run up to it and see it run. Whenever it turned on, I would go up to it and just watch it run as a little child. But now it's getting replaced. Really cool. And I imagine this probably has a GE motor. Yeah, that has a GE motor. But yeah, old Trane XE800 heat pump.